Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Steam error code 50. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix this issue with Steam showing you error code 50. Now the thing with this one is it's most likely because of your connection, but there are a few things that you could try doing here to fix this problem. So first is first is you may want to change your DNS. Now, typically speaking, this issue is actually appears when you log in into your account. So, typically speaking, again, it's because of your connection. So, you want to go and exit Steam here. You want to go to the very bottom here. Just type in Control Panel. Now, by the way, don't be scared with this one. This one is actually pretty easy to fix. So, from here in Control Panel, you want to open up Network and Internet, and you want to look for the option here. This is Network and Sharing Center. Now, in here, you want to go and just choose your current connection. So, in this case, I have this Wi-Fi connection here. Go and click on Ethernet connection here. By the way, if you're using Wi-Fi connection, just choose Wi-Fi here. So, don't worry about it. And you want to go to Properties at the bottom left of your screen here. And you want to go to the Internet Protocol version 4 option here. You want to go and press on it. So, don't uncheck it. So, keep it checked. Just select the IPv4 here. Click on Properties. And from here, you want to go to the section here that says Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically. Now, in this section, usually the Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically will be the one selected for you. But what you need to do is you want to change this. So you want to choose the option here that says Use the following DNS server addresses. So just to give you some explanation here, the issue or error code 50 is most likely a routing issue. So meaning your computer can't seem to find any connection for Steam here, so that's why you're getting that error code. So typically speaking, that's because of your internet provider. So in this case, they're DNS servers. So what we are doing right now is we are going to manually switch to using Google DNS. So Google's DNS here. So in this case, you want to go ahead and fill out the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8, and alternate DNS server is going to be 8.8.4.4. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and click on OK, click on Close, and close again, and go ahead and basically start Steam here and see if that actually solves your issue. But yeah, so in this case, if that doesn't solve your issue, I would highly recommend you to restart your router. Also restart your modem if you can, and restart your PC as well. So just make sure that it's not because of your modem here. But if none of this actually works, then you may need to call your provider and see if you can still access Google. Sometimes generally speaking, you don't have any internet connection at this point. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.